Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have, and of course you've seen the title so you know, but I'm taking a guess that this is a Boxycharm add-on pop-up, whatever it is they have us do when they allow us to go in and purchase things. I think this is a box of Natasha Denona. I opened it just a little bit, but all I could see on top was the wrapping, and I thought we'd just do this as a surprise. I think it's Natasha Denona. The only thing that makes me question what it is it seems a little heavy to just be powder. So let's get in here and see what it is. I have been so bad about the add-ons and the pop-ups. I can't seem to get past even one without picking something up. They have had such incredible deals. So I'm gonna take this paper off the top of here. I think it is a box of Natasha Denona. These were such good deals. We'll play a guessing game about how much I think I paid for each one of these things because I don't remember, but I'll put it down here for you guys what the retail is and what they were in the sale because I love the Natasha Denona products. Right on top, I have a box. We're going to need glasses for this because there is definitely writing. It is the eyeshadow palette 5 number 10. I don't know what that means. Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette 5. That is what the box looks like. So it is a box in a box. So just for the record, if you wanted to regift these, you could because it doesn't just come in this. I think that the one that we got that was just the Boxycharm exclusive one, I think it only came in this box, but these would be completely regiftable. Not that I'm sharing. I love how I say that and I put that out there like I could totally give this away. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks kind of like the cranberry palette. That is what that looks like. These are just, they're just beautiful. This is 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. These are the mattes. Let's go ahead and give them a quick swatch. So they do have names on the back. This one is Satin Skin. This one is Vintage. This one is Aubergine. This one is True Gold. Uh-oh, I'm out of fingers. Thumbs in time. And this one is Nina's Orchid. These are gorgeous. So pretty. Let me know below, what do you think of the Natasha Denona? They are one of my favorite formulas. Oh wow, that aubergine is amazing. Sometimes you expect dark colors to be more patchy than that. That is so pretty. Ooh, the True Gold. Oh, that orchid, I am going to love that. Look at the pigment payoff just from a little finger swatch. Those are gorgeous. I think that each of these, and I do have another one, I think each of these was $12 and they have a $48 value. Even the minis, which is basically this, but a much smaller pan, they go like at Sephora for $25, so $12 for this. Every time a palette is on sale, I try and talk myself out of it because we get so many palettes in our boxes. And I have so many. I need to do a destash. I'm gonna watch some destash videos. If you guys have any interest in seeing a destash of my palettes, let me know below. Okay, cleaned up and ready for the next one. Oh, the next one is square. Let's get into this. This says Blush Duo Palette number 10, Sheer Peachy Nude. Peachy Nude does not sound like something I would pick, but with me thinking, hey, it's gonna be summer soon, I might have. And this is also a box in a box, and that is what the box looks like. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. It's got the pretty pink on the front. Oh, that's very nice, very nice. I will probably wear that. I like that a lot. So if this is the blush, what is that nice light color? It says Blush Duo. Interesting. I'm not sure what I would use that for. It's definitely not, well, let's put it on my fingers. I say it's definitely not a blushy color, but I am so light, you never know. Yeah, it's not a blushy color. But it does have a little satin to it, so maybe you're supposed to use it over as a topper. That is so pretty. That will be really pretty in the spring. Just as a nice peachy color, I like those a lot. Let's just swatch those right here. I wonder if you can even see them. They're so light. I do really like that blush though. Far more complimentary on my skin than I would have guessed it would be since it's a peach, you know, since I lean toward the pinky. Actually, I have on today and it's very light. It's a cream, so I was afraid to go in too dark with it, but I have on just a little bit of the new Selena Gomez Rare Beauty. I think that's what it is, Rare Beauty. She has come out with blushes that are cream blushes, but I have always applied cream blushes with my fingers, and I've always thought that doesn't really work for me. I can't not get too much on, but today I used it with a brush It changed my world. You guys probably already knew this, that I never thought of applying a cream blush with a brush. It just never crossed my mind. And I did it today and I liked it a lot. I feel like it gave me a little glow. I don't know, like I said, the lights, I have 3 lights here and they blow me out so much that I don't know if you can tell, but it's a really pretty blush. Next, this is a big square. Interesting. It says in very large letters though, cranberry core. It's just wrapped up really well in here. Eyeshadow palette, even despite all that. Yeah, look how pretty. Oh, wow. This is probably gonna go straight to a top 10 list. That is gorgeous. I love that. Let's open up the lid and show you that. They are beautiful. Let's swatch them. Probably gonna need glasses to see the colors on the back of this. We have Daisy, so creamy. Sakura, Botanic, Blossom, and this one gets Nude, which is this really pretty. It's almost, yeah, it's almost rose goldy, kind of between a rose gold and a bronze. Look how gorgeous those are. So pretty. Oh my goodness. That's the very first one. Oh, I hope that comes across. It looks very light to me. It is a very light, sparkly pink. It is gorgeous. These are, yeah, I'm going to be wearing this palette a lot. Look how gorgeous that is. That is fantastic. Those colors are exactly what I want in a palette. I like the purpley, pinky, reddy. And the kicker is, it is absolutely not the best look for my eyes because it kind of makes me look like I stayed up late when I get all of this looking kind of red, but it doesn't matter. Use what makes you happy, and that makes me happy. And lastly, we have a bigger one. This is the, and I'm telling you, I think I got all of this for like $48. This is the ND Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush Palette. And it says it's Coral Pink Daria. Again with the coral. I must have been feeling very peachy springy that day. So this is what this packaging looks like. So again, this is something you could have gifted too. And I really don't remember how much this was, but I'll let you know here. But it was a crazy, crazy good deal, I think. Now part of it, I'm sure, is because these are new products. This has been out a while, but I have been watching other people unbox these and use them on their channels, and I have actually thought about purchasing them just on like the 20% off sales on Sephora. So to have it for is amazing. This one is plastic. So when we open it up, oh, it's gorgeous. Let me cover up. The full top of this is a mirror. But when I cover that up, this is one of her sets that has the top that's covered in plastic and then the bottom is out, because these are usually creamier and these are usually powdery. So to keep the powders out of the creamies, they give you this nice, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, they give you this nice cover. So the top row is called the Glow Cream Base and the bottom row is called the Diamond Powder. Let's swatch them. This is considered a blush and highlighting palette. Now that I've looked at this, I'm gonna have to get online and check it out because it says that this is a Glow Cream Base. So I'm not sure at what point do I use that before the blush, because it says this is a blush and this is a blush and this is a Duo Glow and this is a Glow Extreme and this is a Diamond Powder. So I'm not sure about the Glow Cream Base if I use it just before my blush. The Glow Cream Base feels like a pan makeup almost. And that's what it looks like. When you swatch it though, see how shiny it is? I hope you guys can tell. It is right here. And it just kind of gives you a shiny, creamy base. Then let's do the two blushes. We have the one up top is absolutely a cream. I hope you guys can tell that. It's just a cream and it's so pretty. And then the regular blush, I'm gonna skip down and do the other blush. The other blush is a powder blush, and that is that one. That color is probably better for me. We'll put it right next to the other one, yes. The other one is right here, and see how it's kind of pinkier? So I got this with all the blushes, and so I want a blush for a couple of days. Couple of days, I'm good with blushes. The powder blush, if you didn't want to add anything over top of it, It has, and I don't know that I can get it to come across, it has a really nice satin look to it. Next we have the one up top that said Duo Glow, and it kind of has its own color too. It's very pink, but it's very shiny. I'm gonna put that right here over that first cream base that we put on. Oh, that would be so pretty on your eyes. I just put it right here over the cream base that came with this, and see how it's so pretty. Almost has a purple look to it. And then over the cream blush, we will put the Glow Extreme. And it's just very gold. Oh, wow. Can you guys see now? It's lighter, but it's so much shinier. And then let's check out this diamond powder. Oh, the diamond powder is not as creamy, or as the others are like consistent. They're just shine. They're just kind of that lit from within glow. The diamond powder, I will probably use less because you can tell even on my finger, it's almost glitterier. Glitterier? More glittery. I'm gonna put that over this pink one. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah, it did. Actually, it did make it really shiny and nice. See that kind of gold tinge that it gave it? These are gorgeous. I cannot wait to get downstairs and play with these. These are all so gorgeous. And when I opened it, I was a little bit worried about the fact that it said coral, but I think I can wear all of these. So that was my Boxy pop-up. I happened to be on the second the pop-up opened, so I got lucky and could pick up some of the Natasha Denona products because I know they went really quickly. And I got the Diamond and Blush palette, which is this one, which was gorgeous. The 2 eyeshadow palettes, and I got the Cranberry and the, it says number 5 and number 10, so I'm not real sure what that means. And then the Duo Blush, which this is just way more subtle. This is just, it's just everyday, really pretty. I'm letting you know here how much I paid and the value of what I got. And that is one of the main awesome benefits of Boxycharm is access to the add-ons and the pop-ups. Their sales are amazing. Also, we've already done our picks for April because I have my March boxes sitting over there just waiting to be taped. And I got to pick another Natasha Denona palette. I think it has blues in it. It's very different from these. I can't quit buying the palettes. Let me know below. Did you guys pick up anything from the Boxycharm sale? They're just such good sales. If you have any interest in going over and checking out Boxycharm, by the way, I will put a link below for you. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I hope you're having a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.